Guess who it is? It's your girl Driaa'Alexandriaa, and y'all already know I ain't been here in I ain't been here in a minute. I ain't been recording in a minute, so now I'm back dropping a video. Yeah. So y'all can tell by the thumbnail. Y'all already know what we fit to do. So before further notice ado, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification bell on, so every time you see me, I'll pop up on that screen. So let's get into it. Let's go.
Yeah, baby.
It started off as a dream. Now I see it's turning into my reality. I built it from the ground organically. Now I'm hearing my name all through these streets. All these people with bigger names, they approach me. Get a rush through my veins when they repost me. You see it's motivation to keep going.
Hey, y'all. Guess who it is? It's your girl Driaa'Alexandriaa, and y'all already know I ain't been here in I ain't been here in a minute. I ain't been recording in a minute, so now I'm back dropping a video. Yeah. So y'all can tell by the thumbnail. Y'all already know what we fit to do. So before further notice ado, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification bell on, so every time you see me, I'll pop up on that screen. So let's get into it. Let's go. So guys, I gotta get out these work clothes. I gotta comb my hair, brush my teeth, cause y'all know y'all breath got to be smelling good. Y'all see the wig? I laid the fuck out of this shit. Okay, y'all, it's your girl. It's me. So, I gotta brush my teeth. You always gotta brush your teeth. You gotta brush your teeth day and night. Cause if you don't, you gonna have gum disease. And that's not cute. So if you got gum disease, I ain't judging you. Cause I got a couple cavities. So, Kela Monique on the phone. Dropping today too, y'all. She dropping. You hear me? They looking for you. Looking for you. I told you dropping today.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So when y'all brush y'all teeth, y'all gotta do this shit in circular motion. Y'all, I actually got some food on the way. And I gotta wash my hands before I clean my face, because ain't no sense of cleaning your face if your face still gonna be dirty. After work, bitch, I be cracking myself up, cause don't play with me. Let me set a vibe in here for y'all. Damn, that light must be blown. Y'all fucking with the vibes. We got some food on the way and stuff. So we gonna eat a little bit. And we gonna have a little chit chat about things while I unwind. So I think I'm gonna eat and then take my shower, because I want to stay energized, I guess, or however you want to call it. So we gonna do that. When y'all see me right now, I'm combing my hair out. Hey Lexi, your Dasher, your order has been picked up from Applebee's. Girl, just bring my fucking food. So, as y'all can see, I'm not ready to comb my hair, pin my stuff up for the night. Then my face, put my face cream on. So, like I said, I don't know if I'm going to eat, then take a shower. But I am fit to do. So, I might do that and then take a shower. And
You talk to me or that's your video?
Go record. I ain't got no time to waste. Got no time to waste. Hey.
How many videos you need?
I'll see you guys when my food comes, and then we'll go from there. So y'all.
That big collar walking on the side of the road, bitch. That big collar. You should have got an Uber.
Bitch, ask her where she going.
Bitch. Bag and her jacket folded across her. She got on black. I know.
I'm starting to get into my little vibe era. As y'all can see, I'm still waiting on my food. Yeah. I'm still waiting on my food, y'all. And right now it is 4:35. And I'm still waiting on my food. And I ordered my food at 3:20. But that's all I had to come back and tell y'all because I ain't got my food yet. Now y'all got a half-baked bitch with no food. Like, I'll just be back. Y'all can see I am fit to do my official wind down. I'm fit to get ready to get in the shower. Relax a little bit. Go back outside, just chilling for a little bit. And I'll see you guys at the end of this video. So as you can see, your girl is naked. Gonna take this shower and gorgeous kings and queens. I got a cut somewhere on my neck. I just got out the shower. I don't know what time it is right now. Right now it's currently 5:18 p.m. So basically this is really about the round time I just really chill. So I guess I'm gonna end this video right here. And y'all already know what it is. Y'all already know what it ain't. And y'all already know what I need y'all to do. Don't forget to hit that like button. Come subscribe. Turn that post notification bell on. Like I said in the beginning of the video. For y'all can see me every time I post. It's summertime coming. Y'all already know I'm finna come with the litty bangers. But y'all already know, and I am logging out. Bye.
For me, it started off as a dream. Now I see it's turning into my